Omron's C2UW is a push-button wireless handheld switch that replaces equivalent wired switches to control manufacturing equipment. The C2UW permits operators to move freely, allowing remote operation while eliminating the potential for cut cords and routing limitations of wired switches. The switch is paired with its holder using Bluetooth Low Energy for its low power and reliable operation, providing a typical operating distance of 10 meters. The switch features an ergonomic grip with an integrated touch sensor to prevent accidental button presses, and the button has a snap action to provide clear, tactile feedback to the operator. The C2UW includes a smart power-saving feature that disables the switch after an extended period outside of the holder, and when the holder is powered down, the switch is locked in the holder to prevent it from being carried away. The C2UW also has an advanced fail-safe function that allows it to act as a dead man switch, cutting off its output immediately after the operator releases the push button or when communication with the switch is lost.